In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock your debit card with Wells Fargo. This can be an essential skill to ensure the security of your funds in case your card is lost or if you simply want to prevent any unauthorized transactions. We'll go through the steps using the Wells Fargo app, which you can download on your smartphone. Firstly, let's start by opening the Wells Fargo app on your device. You might already have it installed, but if not, it's available in both the App Store for iOS devices and the Play Store for Android devices. Once installed, make sure you have your login details ready to access your account. Once you're in the app and logged into your account, direct your attention to the main screen. Here, you'll see a list of your active accounts. Your accounts may include checking, savings, or even a credit card account. For this process, tap directly on the account associated with your debit card. This will allow the app to bring up more details specific to that card. After selecting your account, you'll want to identify and tap on your actual debit card. It usually displays a section with card details, including the type of card and the last four digits of your card number. Selecting your card will navigate you to additional controls and features related to your card specifically. Now focus on finding the option labeled Card Controls. This is a dedicated section where you can manage various settings related to your debit card's operation. Click on this section and it will bring up different options that will help you control and monitor your card usage. The feature you're looking for now is the toggle option to lock your card. You will see a switch labeled Lock Card, which is initially set to the off position. Simply slide this toggle to the on position. This action will immediately lock your card, meaning it cannot be used for any transactions until you decide to unlock it. Once you've completed this step, a confirmation message should appear, indicating that your debit card has successfully been locked. This message serves as reassurance that your card is now secured and there won't be any activity on it until you unlock it again. Lastly, whenever you are ready to use your card again, perhaps when you found it or just want to reactivate it, go through the same process. Navigate back to the account options via the app and access the card controls once more. From there, you will simply toggle the lock card setting back to the off position to unlock your card. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to lock and unlock your Wells Fargo debit card using their mobile app. It's a straightforward process, but ensures you keep your financial information safe and under your control.